All right, that's right, guys. We have an 80% off Apex Trader funding sale. But before I get into that, I wanted to go over this real quick, my website here, futuresniperbeast.com. So I will be revamping this homepage, and I'm going to go over that in the next couple weeks. It'll be a lot added to it. Okay, so I'm going to revamp this, but I wanted to show you. So if you want to get notified of these discounts straight to your email, then come to this website. Okay, I just want to direct you here, futuresniperbeast.com. I have going over where you can learn how to trade futures using the Apex Trader Apex investing system. Okay, a little video about it here. How you can sign up for 30 days free, no credit card needed. I have a Facebook group. All right. And right here is where you can sign up for the Apex Trader funding discounts. Just throw in your info there. You'll get it emailed anytime there's a discount, but also anytime I do exclusive discounts for my group, for my YouTube channel, anything like that, because I do exclusive discounts just through myself. So you want to be on that list. All right. And then always, here is the most current sale that's going on. So right now it is the Valentines sale, 80% off all valuations and 80% all recurring months. So that is the lifetime 80% off sale. It is back. Make sure to take advantage of that code WIN80. This is going to go through now until February 14th at midnight, 11:59 p.m. Eastern time. All right. So just come to this website, hit get started, and it'll take you right to it. Also, like I said, it's going to be revamped here, but also you can go to the Apex Trader Funding up here, Apex Investing Institute up here. It's where you can learn how to trade with the Apex Sniper system. Okay. Facebook group. Then here's some trading tools. If you haven't seen, here's the Trader Sync Journal, Ninja Mobile Trader. That's the VPS. Okay. We have some Ninja Trader, Kinetic Data. Here's a couple tools here. Tick management tool. If you haven't seen that, you may want to check that out. That's my tool that I created. It's for money management. It's so you can follow your money management plan. Okay. There's a tutorial, little video here to explain what it is. So make sure and check all this out. Bookmark this page. Okay. Get that going. Get signed up for that. Okay. So definitely put your email address. Get on that list. All right. So enjoy, get these things funded, and take care. Trade well. Use code WIN80. Have a good night.